Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you that how we can block and unblock someone on Instagram. So let's start it without any delay, but before that, if you have come to this channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. Because I think this topic is helpful for those whom some people messaging on Instagram continually. That's why Instagram given to its customer the option to block or unblock someone. So today I will tell you in detail how you use this feature. So if you do not want to miss any important information, then watch the video till end. First of all, we will open the Instagram app. After that, we will press the search logo and click on any profile. After clicking on any profile, we will get that three dot option, then we will click on that option. There we will find many ways, but we have to click on the block. After that, the account will be blocked. So friends, this was the first way that I told you, so without any delay, let's go to the another way. So here, we have to first click on our profile. After that, we will click on the top three line on the right side and we will get the option of setting below. After pressing the option of setting, we have to find the option of privacy, and after clicking the option of privacy, we will have to come down, then we will find the option of blocked account. And after clicking the blocked accounts, we will get the list of all the people we have blocked and we can just unblock anyone. So friends, if you like this video, then press the like button and tell me in the comment which type of video do you want that I can make for you. Thank you for watching.